clothing.
Now, let's look at clothing. First, we'll start with summer clothing for women. First, we have skirt. Skirt. This skirt is purple. Skirt. This skirt is purple. Next, we have blouse. Blouse. This blouse is white. Blouse. This blouse is white. Shorts. Shorts. Always with S. Because 1, 2, shorts. These shorts are light blue. Okay? Shorts. These shorts are light blue. T-shirt. This T-shirt is purple. Okay? T-shirt. This T-shirt is purple. Dress. This dress is red. Dress. This dress is red. Blouse. This blouse is yellow. Blouse. This blouse is yellow. Swimsuit. This swimsuit is orange. Swimsuit. This swimsuit is orange. Sun hat. This hat is light pink and green. Okay? Sun hat. Sun hat. This hat is light pink and green. Shoes. These shoes are brown. Okay? 2 shoes. Shoes. These shoes are brown. Sandals. These sandals are orange and yellow. Sandals. These sandals are orange and yellow. Okay? So these are clothes for women. Skirt, blouse, shorts, t-shirt, dress, blouse again, swimsuit, sun hat, shoes, and sandals. Okay, let's look at some clothes for men. Now, we'll look at the names and we'll look at the colors too. So, first we have shirt. Shirt. This shirt is light green. Shirt. This shirt is light green. Jeans. Probably you know jeans. These jeans are blue. They are blue jeans. Okay? Now, jeans, shorts, pants are always with S because 1, 2. Okay? Jeans. All right? Next, we have shorts. again with S. These shorts are light green. Shorts. These shorts are light green. Now, swimsuit for men and for women is one swimsuit. So this swimsuit is blue. Swimsuit. This swimsuit is blue. Then we have a cap. This cap is blue. Cap, this cap is blue. Okay, so these are clothes for men. Let's look at some winter clothes. This is our next group of clothing. All right, now, first we have coat. Coat. These coats, because there's two here, are gray and brown. Okay? All right. Coat. These coats are gray and brown. Next we have pants. Always with S. Pants. These pants are brown. Pants. These pants are brown. Sweater. This sweater is blue. It is also red, green, and black. Okay? Sweater. This sweater is blue. It is also red, green, and black. Next we have gloves, because we have two gloves for two hands. These gloves are red. Gloves. These gloves are red. Now we have scarf, hat, and mittens. Okay? Scarf, hat, and mittens. All right? This hat is green and blue. This hat is green and blue. This scarf is orange and yellow. And these mittens are red and blue. Okay? So, scarf, hat, and mittens. This hat is green and blue. This scarf is orange and yellow. These mittens are red and blue. Okay, let's make some more room here, and we'll add some more. Now, the next one that we can add here is boots. Boots, because there's two. These boots are black. Okay? Boots. These boots are black. Now, the next one is vest. In Canada and the US, this is a vest. Okay? This vest is green. Okay? Vest. This vest is green. Now, the next group are clothes for business. A suit. Suit. This suit is blue. Now, a suit is the top and the bottom for men and for women, okay? So a suit, this suit is blue. Tie, tie, usually for men. This tie is gray. Tie, this tie is gray. Okay, now let's practice a little bit. Now, let's talk about what people wear in the spring. So, Ali, what do people wear in the spring?
They wear pants, a sweater, and a jacket.
Yes. Susan, what do they wear in the fall?
They wear pants, a sweater, and a jacket.
Yes. Isabel, what do women wear in the summer?
Okay, they wear a dress and sandals. Also, they wear shorts, a t-shirt, and sandals.
Yes. Ali, what do men wear in the summer?
They wear a t-shirt, shirts, and sandals.
Okay. And Isabel, what do people wear in winter?
They wear pants, a sweater, and boots.
Yes. All right, very good, thank you. Now it's time to look and listen.